Hello my beauties. So this, yes, it's a very close-up video. I know, I'm sorry, but I just wanted to come on here and show you guys kind of how to apply some false lashes, because I get a lot of questions. A lot of people want to know how to apply false lashes, so this is going to be how to apply false lashes for a beginning. So I'm going to be using these right here that are Dollar Tree lashes. Yes, these are Dollar Tree. These are probably the best lashes ever. So yes, they cost $1, and they're called they're by Heyyy, I guess that's how you say it. And these are the wispy spiky ones, the 3D faux mink lashes in the number 68639. So those right there. I didn't want to do anything too dramatic, but I wanted to give something with a flair that wasn't too simple either. So I am going to be using those. I also use a duo lash glue, so I use that. See if it'll focus. Come on. Well, it's the duo lash glue, so I use that, and it's just a clear one. And then I always use tweezers. So any kind of tweezers, I like these. Or you can also use lash applicators. So something like this. So you can use that. I personally just like to use tweezers. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. So first, I'm going to go ahead and just grab it with my tweezers. Sorry, my nails, like, it hardly ever lets me grab them. So see, I just grabbed them with my tweezers right about there, or about halfway, so usually like right about there. So take it with my tweezers. Then I take my glue. So take my glue, and I just apply. I don't apply too generously, because I don't like it to get too wet either, but right on the like the band. So make sure it's just good like that. And then I'm just going to blow that. Wait for a couple seconds. This lash glue, it doesn't take like too long to dry, which is great because I like to just kind of pop them on. And even if you do pop them on, they obviously dry while they're on. So, and then let me grab a mirror here. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and as you see, this is the shorter end. I usually kind of start that like a third of a way right there, because if you do it too close, it'll kind of bother at this point. Don't mind my nail, I broke my nail. So I'm just gonna go in. I usually use my right hand, and I'm gonna go about halfway, like I said, a third of a way. I'm trying to get you guys at a good angle to where you're actually, I hope that's better. I'm sorry, I had to kind of adjust you guys real quick. Hope that's better. Okay, so we're gonna grab it, and we're gonna go about a third of a way, and we're gonna get it as close to the lash line as possible. And first, I always start off in the middle. So see, I start off in the middle, and then I go on the end, and I just kind of pull that and put it there. So I do that, and then you can always adjust as you go. And then I take this, and I do the inner right there. So, and then if you feel as if it's uncomfortable, just kind of go in, pull it down, and then just with your tweezers and with your fingers, just adjust it. Make sure it's exactly where you want it to be, and you don't notice, like, make sure you don't notice too much of a gap in between. Now, it's okay if sometimes you notice somewhat of a gap, and you see sometimes if you let it dry too much, it ends up flipping. So what I do in a case like that is I always have like kind of like a very thin pencil like this, and I just take a little bit of my lash glue and I put that on my pencil. Like I take some of that. So I do that, and then I go back in, and then I use my tweezers, and then I go in right on the lash, like basically right above the lashes, and I kind of just put a little bit of that, and then just go in and readjust the lash. So then it's exactly where you want it to sit. And then we're just gonna go in and kind of just, oops, put them together. And that's all. That's all you really do. And then to make it blend even more, you put mascara. But that's all you do. It's, I mean, it's as close as possible to the lash line. You can't even tell that, you know, I have on lashes, and then you can tell right here. Sorry, it's as close as possible to the lash line. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. It's a really short video, but thank you guys for watching.